Sometimes we just need a really low effort wash day. Let me show you how I do that. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're brand new here, hi, my name's Courtney, and I have made it my personal mission here on this channel to be as helpful as humanly possible to you and your waves and curls. If you are interested in getting the healthiest hair of your life, feel free to subscribe and click that notification bell. I would love to hang out with you as you go on your healthy hair journey. And today I am giving you one of the tools in my toolbox that I find incredibly helpful. Now, there are a myriad of different wash day routines on this channel, but this one in particular is the wash day that I bust out when I want a looser, beachier, wave kind of look to my hair. Little disclaimer, this wash day routine works better on looser curl patterns than it does on tighter curl patterns. I do have wash day routines that work on literally everyone. And all you have to do is go to my channel and find that little search button on my channel and type in everyone. And it should pull up that wash day routine for you if you want something that's gonna work for everyone. This routine works better for looser curl patterns, us wavy girls. This is for us on the days where we don't want to do the full shebang, shoot for the curlier hair look. We are just needing to wash and style our hair, but we want it to look styled and beachy and loose and shiny and pretty. This is the low effort wash day routine. This isn't the no effort wash day routine. I do have other videos on this channel showing my product-free wash day styling routine. And that's the routine that I do when I want to do literally nothing to my hair. This is somewhere, a couple steps towards the middle of doing all the stuff and things and doing literally nothing. It's just a couple steps this direction. So if that sounds interesting to you, please stick around to the very end of the video because I'm going to show you how this wash day held up throughout a day in my wild and crazy mom life. But without further ado, let's head into my shower and I will show you how I wash and style on a low effort wash day. And here we are again, guys, in my shower. We haven't been here in a very long time, but I feel like this is a fitting place to start. But before we get started, this is what the hair is looking like before. Yes, there is a pre-shampoo oil treatment in my hair. That has been something that I've started doing a lot lately. It's pretty easy. I just detangle my hair with oil in it about 30 minutes before I need to shower. And now we're gonna get the hair nice and soaking wet. And if you've been a longtime viewer, thank you. You'll remember that I spent a lot of time washing my hair in my shower when I was pregnant with our daughter. Bending over my tub to wash and style my hair was not necessarily an option. And I feel like when we need a really quick, fast, low effort wash day, jumping in the shower to just wash our hair really quick makes the most sense. And for your low effort wash day, grab your favorite shampoo. I don't care which one it is, just grab your favorite. This has been my current favorite here at home if I was in the salon and doing this routine. In fact, I probably need to bring some of my good products here home, but lately I've been taking all the good stuff up to the salon. I love the AG Curl Fresh shampoo, and that would be perfect for this step. Just washing my hair nice and thoroughly, nothing too fancy, but being very, very thorough and intentional. Now, I do know I have this pre-shampoo oil treatment in my hair, and I probably could use a good double cleanse, but I may or may not have washed my hair yesterday to do the final test on this low effort wash day to make sure that I'm getting really consistent results every time I do it. So far, super consistent results. So since I washed my hair yesterday, I am only going to wash my hair once today and thoroughly rinse out that shampoo, really massaging my scalp with the pads of my fingers to make sure that I get all of the suds rinsed down the drain. No residue left behind here. Then I'm gonna go in with a conditioner. Get you any old conditioner, your favoriteest conditioner that you have. I'm using the Giovanni Smoothest Silk. It's lightweight, incredibly lightweight, has a kiss of protein in it, which my hair tends to really love. And I'm going to comb this through with my fingers and make sure that my hair is completely finger detangled. Again, in the salon, I would be using something like AG Curl Fresh conditioner on me. Oh my gosh, that conditioner is so slippy. If your hair is tangled, I dare you to try that conditioner and see
the tangles melt away. I have really good luck on a multitude of different hair types in the salon with that conditioner. If you use adequate water and conditioner, it's so good. Now that my hair is thoroughly finger detangled, I'm gonna go in with a brush and just finish distributing that conditioner through all of my hair, making sure that no strand is getting missed. I like using the Bounce Curl detangling brush because there's no pad in it for water to get stuck in, if you know what I mean. Unfortunately, this brush has been out of stock from Bounce Curl for forever. Y'all run over to Bounce Curl social media pages and start requesting this brush to come back in stock, please, because I love it. I think y'all would love it. It's an incredibly good brush. Once that is thoroughly brushed through my hair, I'm not gonna waste any time on squish to condish. Again, this is low effort. Going to thoroughly rinse that conditioner out. Again, massaging my scalp with the pads of my fingers while I rinse to make sure that no residue is left behind. Then I'm gonna go in with a leave-in conditioner. Pick you any good leave-in conditioner, your favorite leave-in, leave-on conditioning product. It can be a leave-in conditioner, it can even be a curl cream if you want. At home, I'm using the Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner. In the salon, I would use something like AG Recoil. I'm going to work that through with my fingers and then thoroughly brush it through with the Bounce Curl brush. Once that is thoroughly brushed through, I'm just gonna grab a wide tooth comb and I'm going to just align all of my curl clumps, taking a comb and just really slicking my hair straight back. When I wash and style my hair right side up and I want some semblance of volume, I know this seems counterintuitive, but slicking my hair straight back, creating a bunch of different parts on my scalp that I can pick from later once my hair is 100% dry, fluff out my roots and fluff my hair over to the side. I get lots of root lift because I am changing the direction of the hair to some extent, because flicking it straight back and then flipping it to the side is a change of direction. Once I have brushed all the way through my hair, combed out the back, made sure that the underneath layers of my hair are also really nicely aligned in sort of curl clump formation, I'm gonna grab a styler. Grab whatever styler you want. It doesn't matter to me what you grab. You can grab your favoritist hard hold gel, you can grab your favoritist mousse, you can grab your favoritist custard. For these low effort wash days, I'm really enjoying picking products that do have medium to light hold, that are lightweight, along with being pretty conditioning. So we're going in with the Cake Gel to Foam styler. It's pretty hydrating, it's medium to lightweight, and has medium-ish hold. Gonna take a few pumps. Gonna glaze it over the top and underneath of my hair. I'm gonna squeeze it in using the rope technique, kind of rope it into my hair. Then I'm just going to lean to the side and scrunch and pulse and scrunch. Then I'm gonna lean to the other side and pulse and scrunch and pulse. And guess what? That's it. We're done. For the shower, just glaze, rope, scrunch, you're done. After I hop out of the shower and get dressed, I grab my microfiber towel. I like the Perfect Hair Care towel. You can find it on Amazon. If you have a cotton t-shirt laying around your house, perfect. Use that. And all you're gonna do is scrunch your hair up all the way to your scalp as best you can. Essentially, you are micro plopping your hair and wringing out the excess water to the best of your abilities. This doesn't have to be really hard, really difficult. You don't have to think too much about it. Just scrunch and pulse and wring out the excess water from your hair. You do want to be relatively gentle. Let's not be super wild and crazy here, but wring out as much water as you can. Then get some air pots because you're about to diffuse your hair and you need to be entertained while you're diffusing your hair. I like to listen to an audiobook or a podcast while I hover diffuse my hair. Once my hair is mostly dry, I'll then go in and pixie diffuse. But once this hair is 100% dry, I'll be back to Scrunch Out the Crunch with you guys.
And here is the hair 100% dry. There is absolutely no cast. And it's looking kind of like sad and flat, but because this is an incredibly low effort wash day, here is how I scrunch out the crunch on a wash day like today. There. And now it's not quite so flat. It is like more stuck to my head, but it's got some lift. This is what the back is looking like now. Yup, I know. Weird, right? How just shaking my head like that fluffed it all out. Now I want to take a look. I'll let you guys take a look, and I haven't seen it yet. Yes, 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 this is exactly what I was hoping my hair would do today. Hair is what I love so much about this particular wash day. We are in West Texas right now, and as I may have mentioned in previous videos, we are moving and it's spring in West Texas. My hair is getting blown around all over the place, and this particular wash and style routine holds up so well in the wind. It's kind of a looser, beachier, more undone routine that looks great if it gets, you know, messed up by the wind a little bit. It looks better the messier it gets. I have really struggled with this kind of style of styling my hair in the past because I couldn't ever get really consistent wash day results. I know I've done my air dried routine and that got pretty close, but I had to use some sea salt spray in that, and I didn't love how it made my hair feel. This low effort wash day of just combing the hair straight back, glazing some styling product in, scrunching, and quick diffuse gives me a glorious beachy wave result that I have really, truly, honestly been loving lately. And I have tried this with a multitude of different stylers and gotten similar results. Now, to be fair, I haven't tried it with like a crazy hard hold gel yet. I've been liking how it's been doing with some of my foams and mousses. Been liking it better. And because I know you love it, here is what the hair looked like at the end of the day. Yes, I went outside. Yes, my hair got blown around in the wind. And this is what my hair was looking like on the morning of day 2 with absolutely zero refresh. So there it is, guys. There you have it for my low effort wash day routine. And I hate to say it, but this is the last wash day video we are doing with this backdrop. I have said this before, I'm saying it again. I am terribly sentimental and I am absolutely gonna miss this filming setup because so many good memories were made here with you guys. But don't worry, more videos will be coming soon in the future from a smaller location. And that is totally fine. All right, guys, that is it for this video. As always, I sure hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye.